Say guys, VPN is now connected. Hey guys, it is me Fahim. Today I'm gonna be show you how you can use VPN without any apps. So let's get started this video. First open your iPhone settings and scroll down and see, tap general and scroll down and click VPN and device management and click VPN. See guys, I have already two VPN added, so click add VPN configuration and first VPN type, click here and select L2TP, then back, then first description you can type anything, just I like type Fahim test Fahim VPN new 2025. Then we need server, second we need server, so we need to go browser. I open Chrome and tap search bar and type VPN gate. So I scroll down, click second website, see many server here, so I select the server and copy. Then we need back settings, open settings and paste server, then account, small letter, VPN, also password VPN, also secret VPN, then done. See, ready VPN created, done. Then connect, select new VPN 2025, then after connect. See guys, VPN is now connected, so please subscribe my channel and comment in this video for you helpful or not. Bye bye.